Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Reine. So today I'm back with another brow tutorial. I learned some new tips every day which I'm about to share with you guys. So I hope you all enjoy this video. First thing you'll need for this is your eyebrow pencil. Mine comes with a spoolie brush, as you guys can see, which is pretty handy for me, especially when I'm heading out. Next, you'll need a concealer. I'm using Yayyyy LOL Pro Concealer. And finally, you'll need your eyebrow brush. You want to make sure that the brush you have is as flat as this one. And this is all you need to have yourself some good eyebrows, sis. I got all this at a local store, but you can find them online or on Amazon. So the first thing I like to do is to brush my eyebrows upwards, as you guys can see. This helps to keep them in place. Next, I will use my pencil to outline my natural eyebrows, and then I'll just fill them in using the pencil. So it really helps to have your eyebrows shaped and neat before you go ahead and draw your eyebrows. That way you can see your true shape and you won't have to try too much to get the right shape. I have a video on how to shape and tint your eyebrows at home, so if you're interested, I will leave a card on the screen and the link will be in the description box. So now I'm going to use my spoolie brush to blend in the pencil with my eyebrows. So I do that by brushing my eyebrows in the direction in which they grow. So after blending my eyebrows, I noticed that it faded a little bit, so I wanted to go in again with the pencil, and then I will go ahead and blend it in again. So now I'm just doing the same thing on the other side. So using your spoolie brush to blend in your eyebrows is a really good trick, especially if you don't like your eyebrows too dark. Now I'm going to use my brush and concealer to shape my eyebrows. I like to put my concealer at the back of my wrist because it's a lot easier to work with. As you guys can see, I'm not starting with too much concealer on my brush, and I'm also not starting right at the perimeter of my eyebrows. This is because I want to build it up. Basically, I want to blend the foundation going closer to my brows rather than blending the foundation down. So this prevents foundation from building around your eyebrows, and it doesn't give you that line that you see on some people's eyebrows.
Drowning in all my shame, the abuse, the neglect, trying to live up to what they expect. Anxiety keeps on pressing my chest. I wanted to jump off the ledge. Oh, hell no! Love is perfect. You make me feel worth it. was 15, so I missed all of the lessons. Instead I thought I could.
Now I'm just gonna use my foundation brush to blend in the concealer. As you guys can see, this brush is really good. It really blends in so well.
I searched for it in men and I always came up empty, that was for certain. One really loved and helped me to invest my time. 3 years later, I can't believe I'm not his wife. During that time, Jesus came and found me, had to make a choice, but he...
So now I'm going in again using the pencil to fill in some gaps and shape it a lot better. So for this part, it's better to have a really sharp pencil, so don't mind me please.
Best to protect it, can't act like I wasn't in pain. I gave myself to Christ, but I got straight along the way. And there's no one to blame, no, there's no one to blame. Lord, your love is perfect, you make me feel worth it.
Now I'm just gonna go ahead and do everything that I just did on the other side.
Love, I don't deserve it, but you make me feel worth it, you make me feel worth it. Tired of tempting myself, tired of having regrets, tired of making mistakes I never learned from. Tired of tempting myself, tired of having regrets, tired of making mistakes I never learned from. Lord, your love is perfect, you make me feel worth it, you make me feel worth it. Lord, your love, I don't deserve it, but you make me feel worth it, you make me feel worth it.
Yeah.
So just a little trick to even out your eyebrows. As you guys can see, I like to use a finger or a brush to line up the start of my eyebrows with my nose. And when I'm happy, I just go ahead and tidy it up. I hope y'all didn't think I was gonna leave my eyebrows like that.
Oh hell no!
So for the final part, I'm cleaning the spoolie brush to remove the makeup on it, or you can just use a new one if you have it. So just like I did earlier with the blending, I'm basically brushing the front of my brows just to blend it out. So this gives it this ombre and natural effect rather than that square look, which I really hate. So this is why it was very important to clean the spoolie brush, otherwise it would have been a lot messier. Now I'm just tidying everything up, just making sure that my eyebrows look good and they're all even and everything looks fine. And just to finalize it, I like to brush my eyebrows to set them in place. With this part, some people like to use brow gel just to set it, but it's completely up to you. So that's all for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, tell me what you think, and don't forget to share. If you're new here, please subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.